what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and Boogaloo is at it again, people. This is a watch face you do not want to turn down. This one is truly off the charts. Now, Boogaloo has outdid them things. This guy keeps changing the game, and this watch face here is worthy of a download and worthy of being on your wrist on any given weekend. All right, so the name of the watch face is called Boogaloo Moonface 3 Starry Sky. This one is nice. It's an analog watch face, a luxury analog watch face at that. In AOD mode, you're gonna get the nicest look. You're still gonna get a luxury look and feel out of this watch face, even in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, how do you blend animation with luxury and elegance? How do you do that? I don't know, but this guy figured it out, right? So let's take a look at the watch face. Again, it's an analog watch face. I do like the look of the index, a classic look out of an analog watch face. At the top, you are gonna get your date. That looks nice as well. You come down, here's the nice part about this. It's not animated, but it changes according to the time of the day. In the morning, you're gonna get a different look. In the afternoon, you're gonna get a different look. And in the evening, you're gonna get a different look as well. And at night, you're gonna get stars. Listen, this watch face is definitely, I'm telling you, worth its weight in gold. I love it. Boogaloo, you did your thing. Now, if you look in the background, it's animated. You see the stars twinkling. This is what I'm talking about. The developers are getting super creative with these watch faces that they're bringing to the table. And this one here, this guy has almost maxed it out. This one is nice. Now, I'm giving this guy 6 thumbs up in the door for the detailing and the creativity with this animated luxury analog watch face. All right, so but you guys hit me in the comment section down below. You let me know how many thumbs up you will give them. All right, but before we go out, if I double tap right here, I can bring up the weather, which is nice. And then if I tap on the date, double tap, you got to double tap. You can turn it on, well, turn it light, and then double tap again, and you can darken it. So I like that look. I thought Boogaloo did an awesome job on this one. He sent me this watch face. Somehow I missed it, but okay, here it is right now. All right, you all, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just continue to grind hard. You'll be over the hump soon. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.